Hello, friends. God bless you, and I hope you're having a prosperous day. We're back in the kitchen, cleaning to a better me. And friends, today on week number 8, it's time to clean those kitchen drawers. Now, I know some of us already did some of our kitchen drawer, but guys, I still got 3 more drawers to clean. Friends, I want to thank my 2 co-hosts, Miss Melissa from the Buckeye Girls Reefing Things and Miss Anna from the Grace DIY channel for co-hosting with me. Please go back and watch their videos and many others, and there will be a playlist. I thank you so much for your love and support. I hope you get a inspiration and motivation to clean, declutter your kitchen drawers. Friends, while I got opportunity to clean this drawer, I'm going to pull my spoon drawer out. This is some vinegar and water and just wipe and clean it down. You know, sometimes things don't look like they need to be clean, but when you begin to put your product on it and you can see the dust and the grime coming off it. I've learned as I paint a kitchen what type of paint to use because I didn't use the right paint, but you have to use an oil-based kitchen paint in this kitchen to sustain it. But that's another day and another time. Thank you so much for continuing to come back, and we do this once a week. Friends, I hope that this motivates you and you get some inspiration from it. I did clean and wipe down my spoon tray also. So what I'm doing is just going through my silverware and just removing things that I don't need in here. And that just takes a little time. So that's why I'm kind of speed this process up. So I hope that everyone is having a blessed, prosperous day. Guys, we're getting ready to go into that spring season of cleaning. It's a continue on, guys. There's always something to clean in your home. Today's shout out, I want to shout out Miss Marlene's How To channel. She is a great supporter and I appreciate her coming back every time I put up a video. And yes, ma'am, Miss Marlene, I'm so glad I find that thermometer and I'm so grateful. You're making me think about my Christmas cake pan, even though I put it in the declutter box. But I have to think about it because my mom did give that to me. So guys, please go back and check Miss Marlene's channel out. You will love it. She shows you a lot of things about how to take care of plants.
I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. And treat the right, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. And treat the right, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. I never left a stone unturned.
Friends, the only thing I decluttered from this silverware drawer was some heavy forks I had. It was real heavy, wide forks I took out. And it was this one green handle fork and a few plastic forks that we got from probably Kentucky Fried Chicken. I took those out also. So other than that, everything else I just organized. Now moving on, this is the drawer number 2, and I only have 3 drawers on today, and this is the before of it. And I do keep some of my kitchen towels, and I do put some of the ketchup. As y'all know, last time when I did this a few weeks before, I moved all the ketchup packages, but I'm just only keeping a small amount. And guys, I'm gonna go through this drawer, so I hope that you're getting some inspiration. And like I said, each time you go back through it and maintain it, because I did go through this drawer a little bit. Friends, the more you go through it, the better it gets. So I did do this sometime earlier, but I'm going to make it even a little bit better. I'm going to add some of these inserts, and these came from the Dollar Tree. I had these for a while, so I decided to use these. And what I am going to do is just put some of my sauces in this and some other things, and this is going to be the limit, so it will not go over. So you know, if I have too much of the overflow, I will throw them out. Because sometimes, guys, you know, when you take lunch or you know, someone come and want ketchup, you know, those little packages do come in good. So these are some hand towels I bought from IKEA. I ordered them, and I just love IKEA hand cloths. So I'm going to fold these to give it some space in here, because I'm going to put 2 of these inserts. So like I said, they don't have to be nothing fancy that you organize, but just something that's convenient for you and your family. This drawer used to be my season drawer. So see, as each time I do this, guys, I come up with something better. Remember, declutter first, then come beauty. And also I decided to put some of my mason jar tops in here, and this keeps it from just being all over the place in your drawers. Now, like I said, you don't have to go crazy about buying the clutter organizer. Just get something gradually that you need that can fit your budget. Those are for my pots. You know, when you have hot pots, you don't have to put them on the counter. So I'm gonna keep that right there. And look at that, voila, it's a done deal.
Trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Treat them right, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Treat them right, 'cause those ups and those downs is what.
Now drawer number 3. Now this is the bad drawer, guys, to be honest with you, because it was stuck and it was hard to open. I really need to take time to pull it all the way out and put some WD-40 on it, because it is kind of hard to pull. But I got some things in here like my seasoning filter and some other little things I'm going to just move out. I got screws, I got so many, what you call them, alley wrenches in here, guys, filters. And so, like I said, some things just got to move out here because there's not much space here. And I am just going to make it look a whole lot better. So as you know, last week, go back and watch the last week video, I did the kitchen island and I did the 2 drawers there. Now, guys, y'all tell me something. I love this. I got this from the Hobby Lobby. What is this for? This is a spoon holder, but I got it because it has a lot of different measurement that you can use if you can't find measurements, but I love it.
somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I say.
Love this little device here. This is to clean the glass stove. It works amazing. So I'm gonna have to keep that in this drawer. Friends, next week is week 9, and we're going to be coming to the appliance, and week 9 is your refrigerator. But friends, if you cannot clean or don't have to clean the kitchen, because I know some of you guys are finished, and I thank you, you can clean your space. Do whatever space in your home that need the cleaning. I am still going to be doing the kitchen, but it's going to be week 9 and we're moving into the refrigerator. Now, please look at the assignment for week 9, because the refrigerator has to do with the top of the refrigerator, under the bottom of the refrigerator, and if you can, do behind the refrigerator. Now, if you want to jump in here with us, I am opening it for you to clean your space. Clean any area in your home. The only difference is, guys, we're moving into spring cleaning. So the hashtag will say spring cleaning 2022. That's it. Guys, I would love for more of you guys to jump in if you can. The kitchen is the heart of the home, and it takes time. It's a process. It's not an overnight fix. So thank you guys for being so patient with us. So here, friends, I'm going to use some more inserts here. And this is a smaller drawer, so I'm not going to put much in here, but just what is needed. You know, I'm going to keep my stove scraper to clean the stove, and the sponge, and a few of the coffee things in here, because I used to have this as a coffee drawer, but I changed some things. So guys, working with this one step at a time, and we're going to get to that place where our home is clean. Now remember to go to the community page for next week, because we're going to our spring cleaning for 2022. And if the hashtag has to be changed, I will change it, but please just look in the community tab. There is a playlist to this, guys. So please watch us while you're cleaning your home. I truly appreciate it.
All I wanted was to be loved. All I wanted was to be.
Voila, here's the finished process. Friends, thank you so much for watching us on today. And if you're new today, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for all my faithful friends and both of my co-hosts. God bless you. Love you for Penny. I'll see y'all on my next video. You're too blessed to be stressed. God bless y'all. Bye-bye.